In a sports competition, the total number of gold and silver medals won by a team was 49. The ratio of the number of gold medals that the team won to the number of silver medals was 2 to 5. How many silver medals were won by the team? Right, so what we've got to do is find the total number of parts. So the total number of parts is going to be 2 plus 5. So that's a ratio, because it's a ratio of 2 to 5. So that's 2 plus 5, which is 7 parts. Now we've got to find out what one part is worth. Well, if there were, how many medals one part is worth? If there were 49 medals, then one part will be 49 divided by 7. So one part represents 7 medals. Now, the number of silver medals is represented by 5 parts. Therefore, the total number of silver medals is going to be 5. And each one represents 7 medals, so it's going to be 5 times 7, which is 35 silver medals. So this has been a video to show you how to find how many medals are won by using ratio. I hope you've understood, and thank you very much for watching.